Hello guys! Today I'm testing the tool that everyone is talking about. Yes, Storyboard Studio in Google Flow. So I'm going to use this tool to make a simple 3D animation, and let's see if it can generate consistent characters throughout the entire story, or if the character suddenly turns into an animal.
First, open Chrome and search for Google Flow. Then click on the first link, create a new project, click on Tools, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Storyboard. Here you can choose different styles like realistic, 3D animation, or even create your own custom style. For now, I'm choosing the 3D animation style. Then click Start. Now you'll get this interface. Here you can either write your own script or simply paste a story and it will generate a script for you. But I already have my own script, which I generated using Gemini, so I'll paste it here. Why am I pasting it here? Because I don't know if it's a bug or not, but whenever I paste my script into the script writing section, it doesn't generate the storyboard. So don't paste it there. Just paste your script here and it will generate it correctly. The script format is title, scene, dialogue, transition. That's the format you should follow. Next, click on the Assets tab. Here you can either create your own assets manually or simply click the autofill option for characters, locations, and props. After a short time, it will generate all the assets for you. If you don't like any of them, you can regenerate or edit them however you want. After that, go to the Storyboard tab. Here you can either generate scenes using your own prompts, which will usually be more accurate, or simply click Autofill again, and after a few moments, it will generate all the frames. There might be some minor mistakes. For example, some scenes might have extra people, or the lighting might change slightly. Most of those issues get corrected when we animate the scenes. But if there's a major mistake like this one, where the male character's hair changes from blonde to black, we can fix it easily. Just click here, then click the plus icon. You'll see all the assets we generated earlier. If something is missing or changes in a scene, simply add the correct asset back into the frame. I'll add the male character back into this scene and click Create Image. It generates a much better result. You can clearly see the difference. You might face similar issues, but they're very easy to fix. Now that we have all the scenes, it's time to animate them. Before that, go to the Characters section, click Add from Project, choose the character we created, and click Add to Character. From here, we need to choose a voice for each character. Choose carefully. I'm just demonstrating, so I'll pick a random female voice. After selecting the voice, make sure to name the character exactly as it appears in the script. I always forget this step, so don't skip it. It's very important. Click Done, then repeat the same process for the second character by clicking New Character, choosing Add from Project, and assigning a voice. Now for the final step, animation. Click on All Media and make sure Agent Mode is turned on. Next, click the plus icon and add the characters we created. Since I have two characters, I'll add both of them. Now comes the most important part. Add the storyboard scenes in the correct order. If you've modified or regenerated any images, they might no longer be arranged correctly, so always compare them with the storyboard before adding them. Once you've added every scene, go back to the storyboard, copy the script, and paste it here. Before clicking Generate, double-check that everything is correct and make sure you haven't missed anything. Now click Generate, and after a few minutes, your animation will be ready. Here's the output I generated. Take a look.
I am absolutely exhausted.
Clearly, the whole library heard you.
Cut me some slack, Maya, please. Wait, what's this for?
Just a little study fuel.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
As you can see, in the last scene, the guy's hair color changed. That That usually didn't happen in my previous tests, so I'm not sure why it happened this time.
But you can easily fix it by editing that scene here. I'm just showing it as an example, so I'll leave it as it is.
Overall, I think it's a really good tool compared to many other image-to-animation tools. It's also free to a certain extent because you get free credits every day. The biggest advantage of this tool is that it gives you a complete structure for your story. In the Storyboard tab, it even shows how many frames each scene needs.
I do think the prompts it generates for each frame could be improved, but the Assets tab is incredible. With just one click, it generates all the characters, locations, and props you need, and you can easily modify them however you like.
I'm just an ordinary, clueless guy who likes trying out interesting tools. But if someone really learns how to use this tool properly, I think they can create some amazing animations with it. So good luck, have fun creating, and let me know what you think. For me, I'd rate this tool a B grade. That's just my personal opinion, so let me know your rating in the comments.